Hey you guys, I know it's crazy to do 2 Facebook Lives in one day, but I'm making cabbage salad for dinner and I wanted to show you that too, so that's why I'm here. Cabbage is a favorite winter salad of ours. It's a good way to get a vegetable at a time when it's not, easy to find fresh vegetables, at least for that salad effect. So cabbage is one of our favorites. And this salad, I'm going to put it all together right here, but, well, I'll just tell you while I do it. So let me put the camera down again. Okay, so I've already cut up the cabbage, and you can just buy the cabbage bags at the store. I like how fresh cut cabbage is. So this is a half a head of cabbage, and I've roasted some ramen and some almonds, and that's the first thing I'm going to say about the salad. I'm not going to put all this in. I've made extra so that I can make another batch of the salad tomorrow because it's better fresh. It doesn't really keep well in the fridge. But this salad's going to have the ramen in it. It's got a dressing on it that has oil and sugar and soy sauce in it. And so it's tempting to think, okay, well, that was good food until you ruined it with a lot of unhealthy stuff. But I'm here to tell you that I heard about a study once that they did in France where they compared French children with US children, and French children came out a lot more on the healthy side, and one of the main reasons was because French kids eat more vegetables. And the point that was made in the study is that they eat more vegetables, but they're covered with sauces and fats and all kinds of things to make them taste good. But they were eating the vegetables. So I've kind of taken that to heart with my family. I'm going to put some questionably healthy things in the salad, a little bit of it to make the cabbage taste good, but my family, they will snarf this down. They'll eat the whole bowl, and there's not even very many of us left at home. So I feel good. I'm getting cabbage in them, and you can just take that for what it's worth. So I'm just going to put half of this in. This is a smashed up ramen pack with the seasoning. And then the other thing that this salad has in it is chicken. And so of course I'm using Thrive freeze-dried chicken. One of the main reasons is because I only wanted half a cup to go in the salad. So a few minutes ago, I put it in this little container with a little bit of lukewarm water, and I'm just going to drain it right here in front of you. And I like that when I need chicken, I've got chicken and just the little bit that I need. I just need a little bit to make the salad extra good. And I'm dripping a little bit here. But I'm going to show you what that looks like. That's the chicken all reconstituted. It's normal as pie. I'm going to eat a piece right here. Just delicious, tender. And this is the chopped chicken. I like that it's not seasoned because this is a pretty distinctive dressing, so it's not going to fight with any of the seasonings in here. This is just plain old chicken. So dump that in and then mix it up. And again, with the dressing, I made extra dressing as well, just to have it all ready and on hand for tomorrow. And so I'm going to shake that up good. It's got soy sauce, oil, sugar, pepper, and vinegar in it. And then I'm only going to use about half of it. And I'm just going to pour that in there. And you can use that to taste, however you'd like. And this is done. And it smells so good. This salad's good enough to take to potlucks and nice dinners. I make it for company. It's a company salad too. So, and all that fresh cabbage, which is really good too. So anyway, that is it for tonight. Thanks for putting up with me today, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.